an opportunity also to meet MP Derek O'Brien. It was a beautiful interaction.
I'm privileged that today Sir Derek came to our college, and as one teacher of this college, I'm happy that students could interact with him, and I believe that students could also gain some knowledge from his insightful speeches.
My last question to you before I end. You need to do all of this, but you need to do one more thing to be successful in life. I promise you that's what I've learned. And that is a 4-letter word. It's a 4-letter word. And if you really want to be successful in life, it is important you experience this 4-letter word. What is that word?